Well, hi everybody, it's the Phantom here. The year is 2024 and the father is currently 3 times older than his son. In 12 years' time, he will be twice as old as his son. What is the father's year of birth? Of course, as always, I will pause the video for a couple of seconds so that you can give this one a try. And then we will continue with the answer. I hope you guys were successful with this one. If not, that's okay, because right now we are going to get to the answer. In order to solve this, we need to think about the present and we need to think about the future. So basically we need to do a little bit of a time traveling. The easiest way to do this is to make a table. In the first column of the table, we are going to see what happens now in the present and what will happen in the future. And in the first row, we were going to enter our 2 main characters, the father and, of course, the son. First part of our problem says that father is currently 3 times older than his son. So we can say that son has age of x, and then the father will have to have 3x since he's 3 times older. In the future, 12 years will pass, and in 12 years, father will have 3x plus 12, and the son will have x plus 12 years. Now, our assignment says that in 12 years' time, so in the future, father will be twice as old as his son. So we can say that father's age will be equal to 2 times the son's age. We can switch the values from the table, and we can say that father's age is equal to 3x plus 12, and son's age is equal to x plus 12. Now we only have to work this out. So 3x plus 12 equals 2x plus 24, 3x minus 2x equals 24 minus 12, and that means that x equals 12. So right now, in the present, son has 12 years, and of course, father has 3 times as that, so 3 times 12 equals to 36. So father is 36 years old. Now it's really easy to calculate the father's year of birth. 2024 minus 36 equals 1988. That means that the father was born in 1988, and this is our answer. Let's do another one, but this time this will be a little bit harder than the previous one. The year is 2024, and John currently has 4 times more years than Mario had when he was twice as young as John. When was Mario born, if we know that in 15 years their combined age will be 100 years? Okay guys, give it a try. I will pause the video for a couple of seconds and then we will continue. Good luck! Hope you had success with this one. I know it's a little bit of a mind breaker. If not, well, we will get to the answer right now. In this one, we need to think about what was, what is, and what will be. So we need to think about the past, the present, and the future. Of course, the easiest way to do this is by making a table, just like the previous one. In the first column of the table, we are going to set what was, so the past, what is, that is the present, and what will be, of course, the future. And in the first row, we are going to set our 2 main characters, John and Mario. Now, let's take a look at the first sentence of our problem. John currently has 4 times more years than Mario had when he was twice as young as John. Let's say that in the past Mario had X years. Since John currently has 4 times more years than Mario had, this means that right now In the present, John has 4x in years. The second part of the sentence indicates that Mario was twice younger than John in the past, so that means that in the past John had 2x in years. If we take a look at the John's column, we can see that in the past he had 2x in years, and in the present he has 4x in years. That indicates that from the past to the present, 2x in years have passed. That means that in the present, Mario has x plus 2x, that's 3x in years. The second sentence in our problem says that in 15 years, their combined age will be 100 years. That indicates that from the present to the future, 15 years will pass. That means that in the future, John will have 4x plus 15 years and Mario will have 3x plus 15 years. Since both John and Mario will have 100 years combined in the future, we can say that John's years in future, 4x plus 15, plus Mario's years in future, 3x plus 15, must be equal to 100. Now, only thing that we need to do is to solve the equation. So that's 7x plus 30 equals 100, 7x equals 70, that means that x equals 10. Since in the present Mario has 3x in years, that means that right now Mario has 30 years. Now it's really simple to calculate Mario's year of birth. Since it's 2024, we can say that 2024 minus 30 equals 1994, and that means that Mario was born in 1994. This is our answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like, share, subscribe, comment if you want. If you don't, it's okay. See you all in the next video.